Alright, I guess this is how I'm going to start it. Start digging down to put it in the yard, right where the pool used to be. Take a good video reference. Huh? What do you think? Video reference, right? And see how long it takes. All right, I'm about to be honest. I'm a little scared about what I'm about to do. I'm hoping it's gonna work. I don't know for sure, but I finally got my pump all hooked up. Intake here, and you can see how dirty the pool is, and that's because yeah, this is a work zone. But I got intake. I finally fixed the hose to the sand filter, and then I got the outtake running into the back of the rain barrel there, and the rain barrel's sitting on its side. I'm hoping it's gonna you know, look like a barrel of rum dumping into the pool here in a moment. But I don't know for sure, so I'm taking a little recording here, you know, and we're gonna find out. Look at this, it's working. Oh man, it is working. That is fantastic. It's leaking a little bit out. It looks like I'm gonna have to it's coming back a little bit on the barrel and dripping down the side, so I'm gonna have to put a stop to that. This was temporary, but it's working. Doesn't seem like any of the hoses are leaking, so wow, that's a big positive right there. I was worried about this one hose that I got from Amazon, but it seems to be just fine actually. And of course, the other hose I got from my local pool place, Gallagher's, right up the road. Oh man, that's fantastic. I better fix that right now there to make sure I don't lose all my water. But yeah, now I can start working on beautifying it, and of course vacuuming it, get all the dirt out of it. And wow, fantastic. It's a big day indeed.